y'all, welcome back to another video. So I just took a major road trip from California to Louisiana and my Hyundai N Line got really dirty. So today we're gonna wash it. Let's go. So here are some of the materials. We got some wipes, we got tons of cleaners for tires, interior, the vinyl, everything. And then we also have microfiber cloths. And then Dad has a bucket of soap. These are the materials that I'm gonna use to clean my Hyundai. Let's go. Ah, I got a hose. I forgot to turn on the hose. Desperate times call for desperate measures, everybody. Oh my God. Mom's even saying, oh my God. Hold on, peeps. I got this. I'm a professional con artist here. Hold on. Hardcore parkour happening. The hose will get on. Hold on. I'm coming back. I'm on top of a car right now. Here we go. I'm coming back over. Ow. I just scraped my leg. Okay, here we go. Coming back over. Huh. Okay, jumping! Spider-Man, Spider-Man. So, the hose does not reach the car.
Rachel, go get the other hose. Go get the other hose. There's another 100 feet of
I got this! I got this! Waterfall! You make do with what you have. Is the car not wet? It's wet. Mission accomplished. Who says you need more hose? You don't. Okay. Give me some bubbles! Slap. Beautiful. We're just gonna give the car a nice little rinse down. Can we just talk about this color real quick? What do you guys think? It's a green N Line Hyundai Elantra. I am extremely obsessed with it. You guys don't even know. This car is beautimous. I love it. So the next few videos are gonna be all about maintaining this car because this one is gonna be a keeper. When I first saw this car, I was a little hesitant because it's really out there and I own like 3 white cars and 1 black car and I've never had like a different color. But I've always wanted a beautiful red Hyundai Elantra. And then I saw this and I'm like, that is a showstopper right there. Who would not want a green car? Story time, went into Starbucks, right? Or was it Taco Bell? I don't know. But it's all the fast food restaurants. You bring this car through a fast food drive-through and everyone's like, what? There's green cars? Yeah, they're beautiful. And they all stop me and say, this is such a nice color, good pick. I'm like, yes! Yes, it is a good pick. Telling you guys, taking road trips really does something to the car. You know, there's bugs all over the place. We gotta clean it. Gotta keep them clean. Like, look at that little bug. Get off of there. Get off of my car. Ooh, get off! Look at all these bugs. See all that? That's gotta go. That's gotta go. Front looks good. Pour some soap on this thing. A car wash is supposed to be fun. We're supposed to make a mess. You know what I'm saying? Look at that shine. Look at that beautiful green shine. I love it. Gotta get that N line. Bro, y'all can see me? Y'all are in the car? What's good? What's cooking good looking? Oh, I'm not doing much. I'm just cleaning the car on the outside. And I know y'all can hear me because this road mic is bomb. Anyways, don't mind me. Just washing the car for you. Toodles. Bye. So, cool thing, I'm going to LA to work on the 3 Killer Pigs with Thomas Churchill and a few other really great actors. He's producing it, Thomas. And yeah, that's why we're cleaning this car real quick because I'd hate to come back 2 weeks later and my car is still dirty. Like I just got back from a road trip. Car needs to be cleaned. So we're tag teaming. Me and Dad are tag teaming right now. He's got the back, I got the front. We're going crazy right now. Once the movie comes out, make sure to watch it. 3 Killer Pigs. Love you guys. Thank you. Now it's time to clean the tires. Let's go for it. Wheels and tires, wheels and tires. It's been sitting for a little minute now. Let's get all up in there. Every little crevice. So most of you guys have seen me do a lot of maintenance on my 2022 white Hyundai Elantra. This is the 2025 N Line Hyundai Elantra, and obviously the color is beautiful, but you look on the inside, I'll show you. Actually, let's look in a minute. You look at the inside, it's got these beautiful red stripes here, as well as the blue that you can customize, really cool. And then it's got metal pads at the bottom, and that gives it a really cool sportiness. It's got this red, it's just beautiful. It looks like a little sports car, right? And it's also just a tad bit faster. No, it's really fast. That thing can gun down a street. I'm gonna have to take you on a ride one day because this thing really kicks some butt. I'm working here, hey, I'm working here. Stop it! Man is spraying me! Ah! All right, guys, we just finished watching the new Hyundai Elantra N Line. It looks beautiful. We're gonna get to the inside, the interior in the next video, but make sure to check out the races when they come out. It's going to be absolutely amazing, and I'm gonna do a vlog on it, so check it out. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Until next time, bye.